Hi guys, I'm Ashley. This is our new product, RGB light column, perfect for retail stores, shopping mall, and exhibition booths. Here is the remote control. This is the power off button. And this is the power on button. And here can adjust the color. The middle button switches to the automatic color changing mode. And this is the white light button. And these two buttons can switch the different color. These two buttons can control the brightness of a light column. These two controls the speed of color transition. This is the zone button. Before shipping, Lintel technicians preset each RGB light column to a specific zone, so one remote can control up to 4 RGB columns. Press the zone button to switch between different columns and control them individually. Hold the zone button to control all 4 columns at the same time.